So once the your Fire Stick is connected to the HDMI port, you just follow the instructions on your TV screen. It says press the play button on your remote. To start, you choose language, English. You will get this: set up with the remote, set up with Fire TV app. So I'm gonna set up with remote. Select your Wi-Fi. Enter your password. Press connect. Connection successful. So now you have to sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you need to create one in your computer. Or if you already have one, you just go to have an account. So I already have one. So now you need to go in your computer or your phone or tablet and go to the Amazon. Just enter the link you see on the screen, amazon.com/code, and enter that code that's generated on your TV screen. So I'm gonna go on my computer and activate that code. So as you can see, registering your Amazon Fire TV Stick successfully registered. You just press continue. I've just done that in my computer right now in my Amazon account. Yes. I'm an existing customer. I'm just gonna press restore. Not now. You just follow the prompts. You choose your profile. And you're done. There is a magnifying glass, find. You can search apps or go to apps. In App Store, you have a lot of applications. You just press an application. You have applications by category, and you have all categories here. You can choose the category and install applications from there. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and have a good day.